everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're in Albufeira New Town and we're going to go and see what the nightlife's like. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. Okay, so we're just going to walk past. You got the King's Cross, they do live music, all the normal. These, yeah, karaoke. This one's closed this evening. I think it's because of the day.
Open on the 1st and 4th Wednesday.
Ah, there we go, yeah.
So we'll be back.
We will be back to see the opening of this, so yeah. Remember, it is sort of beginning of the season, so a lot of places are just getting themselves in the swing of it, getting themselves open.
Also, the 1st of April is official.
Yeah, so 1st of April is the official grand opening and everything should be up and ready. But if you have come here before, just at the end of March, things are still open, you're still going to have a good time and be able to go to plenty of bars and restaurants. So yeah, you're going to be absolutely fine. So this is obviously a food place. Yeah, we got the New Town. This may be new, the New Town. So yeah, I don't remember that being here last time. I'm going to have to look at the footage from when we was last here in July and see. But this one has been, got the little heaters here. If I sound a little bit, it's because I'm a little bit chilly. We was just doing the old town, just doing a walk for that. It's a lot warmer because it's all sort of built in. Evening. Got the jungle here. We'll be back. So yeah, just a little heads up. If you are coming this time of year and you haven't got your vodka jacket on, wear a hoodie or something just to keep yourself warm. Got like a little takeaway restaurant. Got Mojo's, a little bar and a little restaurant. Oh no, we're okay, but thank you. You got the Greece cocktail bar, self-explanatory, happy hour time. We're okay, thank you. Yeah, Albufeira Sports Bar, Blue Star. Getting a little bit more busier as you go down. And then you've got What's the Crack? This one's usually really busy during the day, especially for like stag and Hindus. Really, really busy. Again, another really busy one. Oh no, we're okay, thank you. You're right, and then we've got this one, Hollywood. Can't see the title, but it's something. We're good, thank you, we'll be back. And then, yeah, across the way we've got Route 66 and the Dublin. All getting themselves busy. So this is an early strip walk. We will show you the different times so you can see what it's like if you're coming out early, what it's like in the middle, and then towards the end. So you've got a different way. This one is like a little kind of games bar, which is quite cool. So you've got like activities and stuff. And then we got Zoo Club or ZU. Correct me if I got it wrong. And then you got Simply as well. Thank you. Look at the big gorilla up there. Ooh. Coming up to Is It Still the cheapest Still the cheapest.
Nothing has changed.
No.
€1.05 for Guinness as well.
€4.99 for a Guinness, large beer, €1.50. Yeah, good prices. Got Simply Bar, we stayed above there one time, that's quite a nice one. Got Jam, live music next door. And then this is like a sports one. Sports and restaurant on my left. And then we got the Thinking Man. Yeah. Yeah. So you have got some restaurants. We have done some videos if you want to check the channel and stuff around there. Obviously it's more during the day, and there is a few more bars and restaurants as well. So if you don't want to come straight into the heart of it, you can just go up there. So yeah, that's where we just come from, as you can see, well lit up. So this is like, I suppose, the divide, isn't it, the second part. So at LYV, that was new last time we came. Looks a little bit emptier. It's like everyone works their way down on the strip. So everyone's that end, and then later on, it'll be the other way round. Right, so we've got Universe Club as well. I believe this was a new one as well, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So quite a few new ones still here for the new season. This one might be open on the 1st. Like I said, the official opening is the 1st of April, so but we'll see. We don't know. We don't know. Got this one, so it's a pint of Heineken, €4. Cocktail 7. Sort of standard prices. Got Mambo's. I don't think that was open last time we came, was it? Evening. So yeah, you got Mambo's.
What opened up earlier?
Yeah, maybe that was it. So we came sort of peak season and beginning last year. I can't remember if we came in between, but look on the channel and you guys can see for yourselves. Hello, evening. We're okay for now, thank you. So yeah, we're doing a happy hour, so if you do want your cheaper drinks, it's probably better to come out a little bit earlier, or pre-drink and then come out later if you don't mind. Whichever. So we got Le Bambo, live sports in that one, and then you got the more dance side next door. And again, €3.50 for a beer. But yeah, they're all sort of similar prices. If you guys can hear me, so I could dance off between Renault's and Le Bambo. Got Cooper's. It's where we did the Matt's Bar as well. This one's usually quite good. But again, these are ones that get busier later because they are more like clubs. So everyone starts off at all the bars and stuff. So they do a bottomless boozy brunch there. So anyone coming on a big birthday or a party or a stag or hen do. Always good to start the morning how you want to win the night. I don't know if the club down there is open, but there is a club down there. We'll check that probably later on. And then you got Albufeira 66, which again is all your sports. So happy hour, cocktail €5, beer pint and shot £3, beer 4. So again, really good prices. And then we come to the end, we've got sort of more of like a pub, isn't it really?
Is that pub feel, yeah?
Yeah, this is definitely more of like a cross between an English and an American pub. Gives you that sort of vibe, a bit more rocky, kind of like a TGI's. And then you got the restaurant on the corner as well, all lit up nicely. So yeah, that is the strip early in the evening. We will keep you updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.